Hey guys, so today is Monday, July 2nd. I got a new phone, finally. So this is the iPhone 8 Plus. I know I'm super behind. I was not impressed at all by the X, and I already didn't want it because it's like $1,000, but I'm waiting on a case and a pop socket from Amazon. It was supposed to get here yesterday, but didn't leave the shipment facility until 7 o'clock, and I had same-day shipping. But luckily, my mom complained for me, and they're probably gonna give me a full refund. So I'm about to go to the gym, going to hit a leg day. I'm really excited. I had a really good leg day like 2 weeks ago, so I put the workout in my phone. So I thought, why not record it? You guys can try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my normal warm-up that I always do. So if you're new here, this is kind of how I warm up for any leg day, whether I am training glutes, hamstrings, quads. You all know I don't really train glutes, but if I'm squatting, I always make sure that I do a lot of activation work, and I do a lot more now than I did in the past because of my hip injury. So I ended up messing up my adductor back in like the end of January. I think it was like January 29th, and it's kind of been bugging me ever since. But fully activating my glutes has helped so much. So I do like a lot of the activation work that you guys have probably seen before. It's like the stuff that people say grows your glutes, but it's not, because at some point you do need to use weight. So these are just activation exercises. This is not like a workout. So I just go ahead and do like glute bridges. I will do adductor walks side to side and then front to back. I'll usually do hip swings when I am warming up for squats because that opens up my hips. I'll do the butterfly sit. I'll also sit in like a super low squat. I'll do some banded air squats, and then anything else that I think might be helpful. Like if I'm training my quads that day, I'll usually burn out my glutes with activation if I'm doing front squats, so that I more so use my quads in the movement, and then I'll go ahead and do walking lunges to activate my quads. So if you're new, this might not make much sense to you, because I know a lot of people say activate the muscle group that you're going to be using, but I find if I burn out the muscle group that usually takes over, that helps me a lot. So I'll usually try and burn out my glutes a little bit just with like normal activation stuff, and also because you still use your glutes in a squat. And then I will go ahead and warm up my quads, usually just with some body weight walking lunges. So definitely try out some of this warm-up stuff if you guys like to. Definitely think it helps out. Just some of the basics, some stuff I did with cheerleading, gymnastics, and then other stuff I just kind of picked up along the way. So I actually used kilos this day for front squats because they were the closest weights to me. So I went ahead and started off with 40 kilos for a 5. Then I moved up to 55 kilos for a double, and then my working sets were 60 kilos for 3 sets of 3. So whenever I do front squats, I usually feel it the most when I go super heavy. So that's what I do. Some people feel it more so when they go really light and do more reps. For myself personally, with most things, I get a lot more activation when I go a little bit heavier and I'm forced to use my quads instead of my glutes, which are surprisingly strong. So I went ahead and did some fronties, which I low-key hate. And then for accessories, I don't do many because I like to do tons of volume for my legs, kind of to just burn them out and also keep my heart rate up. So I started off with some Bulgarian split squats, and I did 3 sets of 10 on each side, and then I did another set just to failure. So I did as many as possible. I think I did like 25 on my left leg and 20 on my right leg. One of my quads is a lot stronger than the other. And then I went ahead and did some step-ups, which I absolutely hate. I'm really bad at these, and these are really hard. My balance is terrible in general, so doing these has always been a struggle because you have to push through your feet that are on the box at the time, or your foot that's on the box at the time, not the foot on the floor. So you literally have to press through your toes to feel it in your quads, and press through your heels to feel it in your glutes. These are very hard. The higher the box, the harder they are. Then I went ahead and did some walking lunges. I used to be out of breath doing these, so I'm really happy that I can now do them without feeling like I'm going to have a heart attack afterwards. So I really bang these out. Sometimes I do like 60 to 90 of them in a single period of time. I really like them. I get a crazy pump from them, and a lot of my leg days are pump based. And then I went ahead and finished off with the leg extension. So I like to do tons of volume on the leg extension. and tons of variations. So mess around with where you pause and your eccentric and how long you hold stuff. I love tempo work for quads, so I just recommend trying out a bunch of different things if you're first starting out. Really just work with the tempo and you'll find that helps you a lot more and you don't have to do all these crazy exercises. My camera's dying. I just finished my workout, so I'm gonna switch to my phone. So I'm on the way to Target now. I started driving home because something happened and I was a mess for a hot minute, but all is well. So now I'm heading to Target, so I'm just making a U-turn and heading there. I just need to get mascara and maybe a couple other things for Tampa that I don't have. The quality on this iPhone is amazing, so if you're looking to vlog, don't spend $600 on a camera anymore, to be honest. Like, if you're an iPhone, Apple person, just use your front camera or your back camera. Can't wait till I get my pop socket today so I can actually put my phone on something. I'm just using like my little phone holder that I usually put on my air conditioning unit. But Target, so I would normally go to Walmart for stuff like this because cheaper, but I had a gift card for Target, so I was like, you know, I'd rather not use as much of my money if I don't have to. So I got another mascara because I've been using my mom's. This is my favorite mascara ever. It's just the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I get the color Very Black. And then apparently no one wears clear lip glosses anymore. I've been struggling to find one. I got one a while back. I don't remember where I got it from. It was like somewhere completely random. So I found the last one. It is the NYX Lingerie Gloss. So this was like $7. I would normally never spend that much, but no other brand in the whole entire Target sold a clear lip gloss. So Maryland is wild because it is like 96 degrees outside. Feels like, I think it's like 103 right now. Completely uncalled for. I don't think my package from Amazon is here. I can't, you guys. Like, they were supposed to deliver it yesterday. And I know I'm just being a snooty Amazon Prime customer, but like, you told me same day shipping, and hello, it's the next day at 3 o'clock, and I still don't have my package. Say hi to my fam. Say hi, YouTube. So I'm now at my grandma's house. I got some Chipotle. I thought I would come and see her because I haven't seen her in a hot minute. And since I'm leaving the state for a little bit, you know, I just thought I'd come say hi.
It's been raining so much, I didn't want to drive up here.
That makes sense.
That.
So it is the next day now, and this is literally so extra, but I just packed. It is like 3:45, and my mom is taking me to DC to drop me off at Cece's place at like 7:30, 8 o'clock. So to say I waited to the last minute would just be the understatement of the century, because I swear every single time I pack, I am so impressed by how I'm able to get everything together in such a short period of time that the day that I pack just gets closer and closer to the day that I'm leaving. If I were leaving my house tomorrow, I would be packing tomorrow morning. That's how bad this is. So I thought I would just go ahead and show you guys what I packed, because maybe that's interesting. I don't know. I did this last time I went to Florida and people actually really liked the video. So if you guys want to see the outfits, I'm sure I'm going to post every single day on my Snapchat, and then I'll probably post a bunch of pictures on Instagram and like link clothing pieces in my stories if you guys want to see that. So the first little pile I have here are the tops that I'm bringing. I'm bringing so many clothes, this is kind of unnecessary, but I don't know what to wear. Leah gave us like an itinerary of what we're doing, but I'm still like, I don't really know what to wear. Florida weather is very different from Maryland weather. It's so humid. It's humid here, but like Florida is just like off the charts. So I'm bringing 2 of my Brandy Melville tops. So I just have, I got these like a year and a half ago, I think. They're just these basic ribbed casual tanks. So I thought I would just bring these because I can wear these like any day over a swimsuit or just something casual. So I have it in black. And then I also have the same exact one in this cream shade. You guys have seen me wear these. I'm bringing this little basic top that I think I got from Romney a while ago with this cute little just like basic keyhole detail in the back. So this is really flattering. It's cropped. That'll really match anything. I'm thinking of wearing it with my, what are these called? Culottes, I think is how you pronounce it. And these are from Shein. These will be in the Shein haul. It's probably not up yet, but I love them. So I'm gonna wear those two together. That'll be one of the outfits for the day. I'm just bringing a basic little halter top. I kind of like this because it has a square neckline, which is a little different. You guys are going to see a lot of yellow in this haul, so just a warning. I've got this top from Yoins. It says, "It's your loss, baby." I was wearing this in my Boohoo video. Got this off-the-shoulder top, which will also be in my Shein haul that I've worn on Instagram a couple times now. I might bring this. I'm still like on the fence about this one. And then I just have this basic little cropped tube top. So those are all of my casual tops that I'm bringing. I guess I can show you guys what I'm wearing to the airport tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear my black Express sandals with this black ribbed top, which will also be in the Shein haul. Super cute. And then I'm gonna wear my new Lulu Align. Then I'm bringing a hoodie because sometimes it's kind of chilly in the airport, well, on the plane. So this one is by FlexFit. So this is like the hardest part for me. I hate getting ready to go out, but Cece has so many extra clothes that she's bringing, so I'm like, thank God, because I'm like a bit on the fence about these outfits. So I'm either gonna wear these white shorts, which are like kind of a mid-low waist, or this origami type skirt, which is also going to be in the Shein haul. And then I'm going to wear this top that got from Boohoo. I actually forgot to show this in the haul, but it's got like the trumpet sleeves, little tie in the front, and then possibly wear this little bralette underneath it with my silver hoops and these little booties that my mom gave me. This night out look, which I absolutely love. So I'm most likely gonna wear this top. This top is from Doll's Kill. It's really cute. It's basic in the front, but it has like these golden rhinestone straps, and then it kind of has a tie in the back. I've only worn this once. I wore it in DC. And then I've got my pants from Boohoo, which are really long, so I just safety pinned them, and I'm perfectly fine because they're so long, but they have the cute little O-ring. So I'm excited about that. If you guys want to see them on, you can either check my Instagram if I have a post up, or just watch that Boohoo haul. I wear my golden hoops that I got from Primark when I was in London last year. And then this is the other top that I might wear if I don't end up liking that together. I tried it on and I liked it, but you know, sometimes when it's time to go out and you see everyone else in their outfits, you're like, never mind, I actually hate this now. So I've got another set from Boohoo, which was in the haul. So this is probably just going to be like a casual day outfit, maybe to wear over a swimsuit or something. So little orange top with the pants and then this little tie. So I'm only there for 3 nights, but I think we're doing stuff during the day every day. So I'm bringing a bikini for like every single day because I'm so extra. Actually, I'm bringing like 2 bikinis for every single day because she also has she's 2 hot tub jacuzzis like in her apartment complex. So like I said, I'm bringing these pants, then I'm bringing 3 shorts from Express. So I've got my high-waisted ones, I've got my white ones, which I still haven't worn yet, I still have the tags on them, and then I've also got like my charcoal gray ones. So I thought that would kind of keep me set for all my casual days. I'm bringing my dress from Express, maybe to just throw over a bathing suit. I don't know if I'm gonna wear all of this. I just like to have options. So it's just a heather gray long maxi, super cute. I'm bringing this little sweatshirt from Brandy Melville that I got ages ago, probably like 2 or 3 years ago now, just for the plane ride back home, most likely. I am bringing 1 pair of leggings. These are from My Protein. I wear size extra small in their leggings, except I could probably go for a small nowadays because their waistbands are so tight. And then to sleep in, I've got this little blue tequila t-shirt. I have a t-shirt in my bag from a Lakers game I think I went to. Bring 3 pairs of spandex to sleep in because I don't wear real clothes. I usually don't wear clothes at all, but I want to be respectful. So I'm bringing these Nikes, these black Nikes, and then these blue Victoria's Secret ones. I'm bringing these black heels, and then I have a bag of swimsuits for Leah and Cece, and then I have a bag of swimsuits for myself. And then the bags that I'm bringing are this black bag from Shein, this tan bag that you've seen if you watch my videos from Target, and then this little bag that I got from Charming Charlie's my freshman year of college, which is literally falling apart. And then obviously I'm gonna bring underwear, bras, makeup, curling rod, straightener, and toiletries. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm really excited for Tampa. Definitely follow me on Instagram and Snap to see what I'm up to, but that's gonna be it. So I love you guys. Bye.